Designing your dream home has never been easier thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you're planning a complete renovation, redecorating a single room, or simply looking for fresh interior design inspiration, AI-powered apps can help you visualize your ideas in just a few taps. In this video, we'll explore some of the best AI home design apps for Android that make creating beautiful living spaces faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Planner 5D AI Home Design. Planner 5D AI Home Design is one of the most popular home design applications for Android, allowing users to create stunning interior and exterior layouts with the help of artificial intelligence and intuitive design tools. Whether you're planning to renovate your home, redesign a single room, or build an entirely new house from scratch, the app makes the process simple and enjoyable. Its user-friendly interface allows beginners to create professional-looking floor plans while giving experienced designers access to advanced customization features. One of the app's standout features is its AI-powered design assistance, which can automatically generate room layouts, furniture arrangements, and decoration ideas based on the available space. Users can experiment with thousands of furniture pieces, lighting options, flooring materials, wall colors, and decorative accessories to create highly personalized living spaces. The application also supports realistic 2D floor plans and immersive 3D visualizations, making it easier to understand how every design decision will look before making changes in real life. Planner 5D also includes a vast catalog of modern, classic, and contemporary furniture styles inspired by real-world interior design trends. Users can freely customize every room, adjust dimensions, and explore their creations through interactive 3D walkthroughs. Whether you're designing a cozy apartment, a luxury villa, or a functional office, Planner 5D provides an impressive combination of creativity, realism, and AI-powered convenience, making it one of the best home design apps available for Android. Arch AI Home Design. Arch AI Home Design is an innovative Android application that uses artificial intelligence to help users transform ordinary rooms into beautifully designed living spaces. Instead of manually placing every piece of furniture, users can simply upload a photo of their room, and the AI quickly generates multiple interior design concepts in various styles. This makes it an excellent tool for homeowners, renters, architects, and interior designers who want instant inspiration before starting a renovation or decorating project. The application supports a wide variety of design themes, including modern, minimalist, Scandinavian, industrial, luxury, rustic, and many other popular interior styles. Users can compare different layouts, furniture arrangements, and color palettes with just a few taps, allowing them to visualize multiple possibilities without hiring a professional designer. The AI analyzes the room's structure and intelligently creates balanced designs that maximize both functionality and visual appeal. Beyond generating design ideas, Arch allows users to refine AI-generated concepts by experimenting with different finishes, furniture styles, and decorative elements. High-quality rendered images provide realistic previews that make planning easier and more enjoyable. Thanks to its advanced AI technology, fast processing, and creative flexibility, Arch AI Home Design is an excellent choice for anyone looking to redesign their home efficiently while exploring fresh and inspiring interior design concepts. AI Home Design Room Planner. AI Home Design Room Planner is a comprehensive room planning application that combines artificial intelligence with practical interior design tools to simplify home decoration and remodeling projects. Designed for users of all skill levels, the app helps transform empty or outdated spaces into stylish and functional rooms through intelligent design suggestions. By uploading a room photo or creating a custom floor plan, users can receive AI-generated recommendations that match their preferred style and layout. The application offers an extensive library of furniture, home accessories, lighting fixtures, flooring options, and wall finishes that can be mixed and matched to create personalized interiors. AI recommendations automatically optimize furniture placement while maintaining comfortable movement throughout the room. Users can also switch between different design themes to compare how the same space would look with modern, contemporary, classic, minimalist, or luxury interiors. One of the app's strongest advantages is its realistic 3D visualization, allowing users to preview every detail before making expensive purchasing or renovation decisions. The ability to experiment freely with colors, textures, and furniture arrangements helps reduce uncertainty during the design process. Whether you're renovating a bedroom, living room, kitchen, or office, AI Home Design Room Planner provides a convenient and creative platform for bringing interior design ideas to life directly from an Android device. Home AI Design Planner. Home AI Design Planner is an intelligent home planning application that helps users create personalized interior designs with the assistance of advanced artificial intelligence. The app simplifies the entire decorating process by analyzing room dimensions and generating attractive layouts that maximize available space while maintaining a visually balanced appearance. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for homeowners, students, and design enthusiasts to explore professional-quality interior concepts without requiring specialized design knowledge. The application includes numerous furniture collections, decorative accessories, flooring materials, wall finishes, lighting solutions, and color combinations suitable for different room types. AI-powered recommendations provide users with multiple layout alternatives, making it easier to compare styles before committing to a final design. Whether creating a cozy living room, an elegant dining area, a productive home office, or a modern bedroom, the app offers plenty of inspiration for every project. Home AI Design Planner also supports realistic room previews that allow users to evaluate every design choice from different viewing angles. This visual approach helps users better understand how furniture placement, lighting, and color schemes work together in real environments. With its combination of intelligent automation, creative flexibility, and detailed visualizations, Home AI Design Planner serves as a valuable tool for anyone planning to improve the appearance and functionality of their home. AI Home Design, Interior DecAI. AI Home Design, Interior DecAI is a powerful Android application that leverages artificial intelligence to generate realistic interior design concepts from simple room photos. Instead of spending hours experimenting with furniture and decorations manually, users can upload an image of their existing space and instantly receive professionally inspired redesigns created by AI. This makes the app particularly useful for homeowners planning renovations, real estate professionals staging properties, or anyone searching for fresh decorating ideas. The application supports a broad range of interior styles, including modern, luxury, Scandinavian, Japandi, industrial, farmhouse, contemporary, and minimalist designs. Users can quickly compare different themes to determine which aesthetic best matches their preferences and lifestyle. AI-generated concepts feature carefully coordinated furniture, lighting, textures, wall colors, and decorative accessories that create realistic and visually appealing living spaces. In addition to generating design inspiration, Interior DecAI helps users visualize renovation possibilities before investing in furniture or remodeling projects. High-quality rendered images provide a realistic representation of the finished design, making it easier to make confident decisions. With its fast AI processing, impressive visual quality, and extensive collection of design styles, AI Home Design Interior DecAI is an outstanding application for Android users who want to transform their living spaces with creativity, efficiency, and modern AI technology. Those are our picks for the best AI home design apps for Android. Each app offers unique AI-powered features to help you plan layouts, redesign rooms, and explore creative interior design ideas with ease. Choose the one that best matches your style and start bringing your dream home to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android app recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.